Hello students. Today we'll discuss about casting defects. The topic covers in manufacturing process fourth semester. We will discuss today about the various casting defects which is produced in during the casting of any product. First of all, what is casting defect? A casting defect is a irregularity in the metal casting process that is undesired. It can also be defined as the conditions in a casting that must be corrected or removed, or the casting must be rejected. It may sometimes be tolerated, sometimes eliminated with proper molding practice or repaired using methods such as welding, metallization, etc. There are many types of defects which result from many different causes. Some of the remedies to certain defects may be the cause of another type of defects. Defects in the casting occur due to the various causes, although it is quite difficult to establish a relationship between defects and causes. Casting defects are roughly broken down into five main categories. These categories following here. The first one, gas defects; second, molding material defects; and third one, pouring metal defects; and fifth one, metallurgical defect. These are basic five categories of the casting defects here. All of these categories include various types of defect which are shown below in this slide. The cross section of the all type of defects here, like blow, scare, blister, gas holes, pinholes, porosity, drop, non-melting inclusions, dart, was, buckle, scab, rattle, penetration, swell, mission, cold shut, hot tears, shrinkage, cavity, mall shift, cord shift, etc. These are basic casting defects. The mismatch. The casting that does not match at the parting line known as mismatch or mold shift. The basic causes of this defect is worn out or bent clamping pins and the misalignment of two halves of pattern and improper location and support of the core, faulty core boxes, loose dowels, etc. These are the all causes of mismatch casting defect. Some remedies or a remove for this particular mismatch defect from the casting and the increased strength of the mold and core and to provide adequate support to core, proper alignment of two halves of the pattern, proper clamping of mold box, repair or replace dowel and pin causing mismatch. When the metal is unable to fill, misruns and cold shuts here. When the metal is unable to fill the mold cavity completely and thus leaves unfilled cavities, it is called as Mishran defect. That we can see in the figure A and B, that is Mishran and that is Kolchat, and the figure B. When two metals streams meeting in the mold cavity do not fuse together properly, causing discontinuity or weak spot inside casting. It is called a Colshut defect. The basic causes of the Mishran and Colshut is low pouring temperature of the molten metal, the faulty getting system design, 2. Thin casting sections, slow and intermittent pouring system, improper alloy compositions, use of damaged pattern, lack of fluidity in molten metal. These are the basic causes of Mishran and cold shut defect. Remedies of this defect is smooth pouring with the help of monorail, properly transport mold during the pouring, providing appropriate pouring temperature of the molten metal, modifying the gating system design for remedies of this type of defect from the casting. The next one, shrinkage cavity. The shrinkage cavity is a void on the surface of the casting caused mainly due to uncontrolled and haphazard solidification of the metal. And the shrinkage defects can be split into two different types: external shrinkage and a closed shrinkage defect. We can see in this figure that type of defect. Causes of shrinkage cavity defect is inadequate and improper gating and rising system, too much high boiling temperature, and a improper chilling system in the casting. The remedies of this type of defect is ensure proper directional solidification by modifying gating, rising, and chilling system. The blowholes. Blowholes are the balloon-shaped gas cavities caused by release of mold gases during pouring are known as blowholes. The causes of this defect is ramming is too hard, cores are not sufficiently backed, excess moisture content, low sand permeability, excessive fineness of sand grains, rusted chills, chaplets and insert, presence of gas producing ingredients. All these causes of this defect. And the remedies of this defect is backing of cores properly, control of moisture content in the molding sand, and the use of rust-free chills, chaplets, and inserts provide adequate venting in mold and cores, ramming the mold less harder. These are the all remedies for this type of defect. We can see the figure of the blowholes in the particular casting product. You can see here the type of holes known as blowholes of the casting defects. Porosity. Porosity is in the form of cavities caused due to gas entanglement during solidifications. The basic causes of this defect is high pouring temperature, gas dissolved in metal charges, less flux used, molten metal not properly degassed, slow solidification of casting, high moisture and low permeability of the mold. These are the basic causes of porosity in the casting. And the remedies of this type of defect from the casting: by regulate pouring temperature, control metal composition, increase flux proportions, ensure effective degassing, modify gating and rising, reduce moisture and increase permeability of the mold. That type of defect we can see in the figure in slide. A next defect in the casting is hot tears or hot cracking. That hot tears are ragged irregular internal or external cracks occurring immediately after the metal have solidified. Causes of this type of defect is lack of collapsibility of core and mold, hard ramming of mold, faulty casting design. All these are causes of this type of defect. Remedies of this type of defect is providing softer ramming, improve casting design, improve collapsibility of core and mold. That type of remedies or remove of the this type of casting defect. Hot tears we can see in the figure, that type of defect known as hot tears we can see in this figure. Metal penetration. Penetration occurs when the molten metal flows between the sand particles in the mold. The causes of this type of defect: low strength of the molding sand, large size of molding sand, high permeability of the sand, the soft ramming uh, of the causes of the metal penetration defect in casting. Remedies for this: use of fine grain with low permeability and appropriate ramming of the mold sand that remove by the particular casting defect. We can see in the figure that type of defect is known as metal penetration. Pinholes. Formation of many small gas cavities at or slightly below surface of casting is called pinholes. Like this figure, that holes are known as pinholes in casting defect. Causes of these pinholes: sand with high moisture content, absorption of hydrogen carbon monoxide gas in the metal, and alloy not being properly degassed in during casting, sand containing gas producing ingredients in the casting, and the some remedies for removing this type of defect in casting by the reducing the moisture content and increasing permeability of molding sand, employing good melting and fluxing practices, improving a rapid rate of solidifications of the casting, then remove this type of defect from the casting. Swell. A swell is an enlargement of mold cavity by localized metal pressure, like this figure. The causes of swell is insufficient or soft ramming, low strength mold and core, mold not being supported properly. These are basic causes of this defect. The remedies of this defect: sand should be rammed evenly and properly and increase strength of mold and core. Uh, that remedies remove of this type of casting defect from the cast product. Drop. Drop is a projection on drag part of casting due fall of its top part. The causes of drop defects: low green strength of the molding sand and low mold hardness and insufficient reinforcement of sand projections in the cup. These are the basic causes of the drop casting defect. Some remedies or a removing of this type of defect from the casting by molding sand should have sufficient grain strength, provide adequate enforcement to sand projections, and cope by using nails and geigers. Ramming should not be too soft. These are the remedies of this type of casting defect. Rat tails or buckles, that type of casting defect: slight compression failure of a thin layer of molding sand is called a rat tail, and more severe compression failure is called a buckles, that is buckling of the sand. Causes of this type of defect is excessive mold hardness, lack of combustible additives in the molding sand, continuous large surface on the casting. These are basic causes of this type of defect. Remedies of this defect is suitable addition of the combustible additives to molding sand, reduction in mold hardness, and modification in casting design. These are the remedies of this type of defects. The students, these are the basic casting defects. Thank you.